Alright everybody, I'm back, and as you may have noticed by that little switch at the beginning, I am using Gaze Cut. Gaze Cut is the new application that I built, and it tracks your face, it tracks where your gaze goes, and you get to have your own director. Multi-cameras. It can take up to 4 cameras the way it's designed. Right now I have 3. All I have to do, plug in my cell phone, it uses the cell phone, and it's fantastic. I will put a link to how to get to be a beta tester if you're interested. It's right now Linux and Windows, but don't worry, Mac, I'm coming for Mac. I just have to get structured with a Mac. I don't even have a Mac, so I gotta figure that out. Anyway, what I'm actually here to talk to you today about is using Codex inside of Claude Code's coding sessions to run a challenge, to audit the code. If you've been a fan of my channel and you've watched for a while, you'll know that I don't particularly like the fact that Claude Code runs off and makes things bigger. Now, some people will say, hey, that's great. I asked for this, I get this, and this, and this, and this. If that's what suits you and you're fine with that, good, go ahead. For me, I find it's just better to have my plan, it's planned out, it's solid, go. And once you go, you know where it's going. I always like to build in proper chunks so I can see things, and that does help control it. But Claude Code tends to race off and, be its own thing. It's very powerful. It's got so many great capabilities, but that bit frustrates me. So now what you can do is you can type in wherever you're using it, whether it's inside the terminal or in VS Code, ask it, spawn a Codex agent and audit this repo or audit this code or audit this project, however you wanted to word that. And it will spawn an agent in the background and it'll patiently wait. It actually gives it really good instructions. It says be adversarial, and it comes back. You get a full write-up of everything that Codex suggested. So Codex makes the suggestions, you get to pick. If you think that Codex is wrong, being a little overly authoritative, you can tell Claude Code, I want to take this, this, and this out of that and ignore the rest. Or you can say entirely, go ahead, I just want the whole thing fixed the way Codex said. And then you get back, it pulls it back on track, helps you maintain control over your project, repo, whatever you're doing, and it's fantastic. So then you get multiple reviews. I don't know who thought of it, and I don't know why it doesn't go the other way yet. I'm sure it will eventually, but for now, it's terrific, and I'd really like to get your thoughts. Drop a thought in a comment. Also, if you're interested in piloting this gaze cam that follows your gaze, it follows wherever you gaze, it follows, and it is your director, DM me, let me know. I'd be happy to set a few people up, like I said, Windows, Linux, and I'd love it if somebody would want to collaborate with Mac OS or something along those lines. So I hope you all have a great evening, and I will catch you later. Thank you.